I just pop a track off my mini skid.
What's up, everybody? So we popped the track off on our mini skid, and I'm going to show you how to put it back on with no tools, but we do need 2 sticks. So let's get this track back on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this stick right here, and we're going to put a gap in the teeth right here. So I'm going to put this right here, right by that wheel. Fire up the machine. So now we're backing it up to where we get some space between the teeth and the wheel. So, right there. Now come here. See how I got my stick right here, and these are barely about to start trying to slide over that? That's where we want it, right there. So now we're going to take our stick, put some leverage right there, like that. Stick out. Now we're just going to roll it backwards, realign your track.